So yeah, I mean, I think, even though I don't have any evidence of this, I think that the people that are postulating theories that human beings, if we are between 200,000 and 1,000,000 years old as a species, Homo sapien species, then it's very likely that we did have, you know, some sort of lost technology that's evidenced by, you know, really poor explanations that are not believed by pretty much anybody about how we built things like the pyramids, and about how we built some of the stuff in South America with the melted stones, where the stones, they literally look bulge, you know, they look like the joints were formed and then the whole wall was pushed down after it was built, and everything just melted together like some sort of infrared cooker just cooked the rocks, like you directed a microwave, which microwave only works with water molecules, so that would not work with rock, but some sort of...
When you can transcend time and space and do the equations for gravity, I'm sure that melting a rock is pretty easy, right?
Yeah. You know? And the other thing is that sound. We're really not using harmonic technology to move things, but sound definitely can move objects. It can move water, it can move heavy objects. So if we're trying to explain what forces in nature could possibly move these blocks, there's not a lot, unless you want to go completely outside of our knowledge base and say like a tractor beam from a spaceship, you know, or some sort of anti-gravity device that we don't even understand how this thing would exist, how you create gravity. So the only thing that's within the realm of, you know, what we can possibly observe and understand is the harmonic frequencies that create enough vibration so that the thing just kind of like floats along. You know, you can push it all over the place. So that has to be how they did it. But I mean, regardless, that's evidence that at some point we had technology to accomplish these feats. There's no way to debate that. The evidence is there. We just don't see any of the tools. We see the results though. So this also kind of leads me into the idea of reincarnation, the idea that not only are we in a cyclic loop of technology where we grow into some advanced civilization and then Mother Nature or something like that just wipes it all out. I think that it's likely that we also return here multiple times after death, and it's all just a giant repeating loop. And some people in the Buddhist community, like the monks, they are trying to pass on to the next life and keep the knowledge and wisdom that they've gained from this one. That's their ultimate goal, is to not lose the memory of the previous life. And in these cultures, there are children who, for the first 7 years, claim to remember a previous life. After 6 or 7 years old, that ability goes away. But the like Hindu culture, Buddhist culture have done studies in this arena because they believe in that. They believe in reincarnation. So did I ever see what, Josh? The Hindu cows, the sacred ones? Oh, like figurines?
No, there's like a little miniature cow.
No, I don't know what that is.
They're like as big as Zana.
Oh, they bred a cow to be like the size of a dog? Wow.